Good day, mathematical thinkers. Welcome back to another session of Valenzuela Facebook Live. I'm Sir Michael John H. Aquino from San Miguel Heights Elementary School, and I am your virtual teacher for the day. For a reminder, make sure that you have a pen and paper and your self-learning module. For your attendance, kindly type your complete name, name of your teacher, and your school in the comment box. Today, we are in fourth quarter, week 7 of our most essential learning competencies. In this episode, we will focus on the following learning competencies. Solve the routine and non-routine problems using data presented in a line graph. Second, draw inferences based on a data presented in a line graph. Are you ready for today's lesson? For me to know that you're ready, please click the heart reaction. Wow! The flooding heart reaction simply means that you're ready to learn. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin the fun of learning mathematics. For our first activity is entitled Hit or Hit It. I will show you some clues or hit it. If you know the answer, you will hit it by simply typing your answer in the comment box. But if you need more clues, just type hit it. For item number 1, our first hit it. It is a circular statistical graph. Next, it is divided into slices. Do you know the answer? I think we need another hit it. Last, each slice is proportional to the quantity it represents. Hit the answer. Very good. The correct answer is pie graph. Next, for item number 2, our first hit it. It uses rectangles of equal width. Next hit it. It is sometimes called a column chart. Last hit it. It can be plotted vertically or horizontally. Hit the answer. The correct answer is bar graph. For item number 3, our first hit it, it uses symbols. Next hit it, it uses images. Our last hit it, its symbols or images has corresponding value. Hit the answer in the comment box. Very good. The correct answer is pictograph. For our last item, our first hit it, it uses two axes, the X and Y axis. For our second hit it, it has an up and down trend. Do you know the answer? I think we need another hit it. For our last hit it, it uses several points connected by line. Very good. The answer is line graph. As you can see, there are several types of graphs. We have a pie graph, pictograph, bar graph, and line graph, which is our focus for today. What is the advantages of using graphs? First, the data are shown clearly. Second, it displays relative numbers of different categories. Third, it can be easily understood. Then last, It summarizes the large data in a visual form. Let's study the line graph. Example number 1. Joy wants to know the average grade of her son in mathematics from first quarter to fourth quarter. The title of the graph is Gerald's grade in math. On first quarter, he got 82. On second quarter, he got 83. On third quarter, he got 82. And on fourth quarter, he got 86. Let's connect the dots using lines. For question number 1, what is his son's average grade from first to fourth quarter? So what are we going to do is we will add all the grades from first quarter to fourth quarter. We add 82 plus 83 plus 82 plus 86. 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 is 13. Carry 1. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 32 plus 1 is 33. Then we divide 333 by 4. 33 divided by 4 is equal to 8. 8 times 4 is equal to 32. 33 minus 32 is equal to 1. Then bring down 3. 13 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 13 minus 12 is equal to 1. Bring down 0. 10 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Then bring down 0. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. So, the average of Gerald's grade in math is 83.25. For the next question, how much higher does his son's fourth quarter grade than first quarter grade? We subtract 86 on the fourth quarter and 82 on the first quarter. So we get 4 as difference. Therefore, his son's grade in fourth quarter is 4 points higher than the grade in the first quarter. For the next example, let's study another line graph and solve the total savings of Raya in 7 months. So the title of the graph is Raya's savings deposit in 7 months. On March, he saved 500 pesos. On April, he saved 1,500. On May, he saved 1,000 pesos. On June, he saved 5,000 pesos. On July, he saved 2,500. On August, he saved 3,000 pesos. On September, he saved 4,000 pesos. Remember, to solve the problem, we use the 4 steps in solving a problem. First, we need to understand the problem. Second, plan. Third, solve. Then fourth, check and look back. Okay, so for the first question, identify what is asked in the problem. We are looking for the total deposit of Raya savings in 7 months. What facts are needed to solve the problem? All of her deposit from March to September. Number 3, what operation will be used? We use addition. Number 4, what is the correct number sentence? The correct number sentence is 500 plus 1,500 plus 1,000 plus 5,000 plus 2,500 plus 3,000 plus 4,000 is equal to n, where n represent the total number of savings of Raya. Number 5, show the solution. 500 plus 1,500 plus 1,000 plus 5,000 plus 2,500 plus 3,000 plus 4,000. 0, we add all zeros, that is equal to 0. The next, we also add all zeros, we get 0. Then, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. Carry 1. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 17. The sum is 17,500. What is the complete answer? The total deposit of Raya savings for 7 months is 17,500 pesos. For our next graph, study the line graph below and solve the average of Raya savings in 7 months. This time, we are looking for the average. First, number 1, identify what is asked. We are looking for Raya's average savings for 7 months. What facts are needed to solve the problem? All of her deposits from March to September. What operations to be used? We use addition and division. What is the correct number sentence? Quantity 500 plus 1,500 plus 1,000 plus 5,000 plus 2,000 plus 3,000 plus 4,000 divided by 7 is equal to n, where n represent the average of Raya's savings in 7 months. Show the solution. We add 500, 1,500, 1,000, 5,000, 2,500, 3,000, 4,000, then we get 17,500. Then we divide 17,500 by 7. 17 divided by 7. We get 2. 2 times 7, it is equal to 14. 17 minus 14 is equal to 3. Bring down 5. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. Since all the numbers are 0, we just need to copy 0 on beside the 25. Then we get 2,500. What is the complete answer? Raya's average savings for 7 months is 2,500 pesos. For example number 3, the title of the graph is Ryan's Daily Expenses. So study the graph below, then answer the question that follow. So we have on Monday, we have 35 pesos. On Tuesday, we have 80 pesos. On Wednesday, we have 40 pesos. On Thursday, we have 65 pesos. On Friday, we have 40 pesos. Number 1, what is the title of the graph? Okay, the title of the graph is Ryan's Daily Expenses. Number 2, what does the number in the column represent? It represents Ryan's daily expenses from Monday to Friday. Number 3, what day does Ryan has the highest expenses? As you can see, Ryan's highest expenses are on Tuesday. It is 80 pesos. Number 4, how much more does Ryan's expenses on Tuesday than Wednesday? Ryan's expenses on Tuesday is 40 pesos higher than Wednesday. Number 5, which days does Ryan have the same expenses? Ryan has the same expenses on Wednesday and Friday. Number 6, how much is his lowest expenses? Ryan has 35 pesos lowest expenses. Let's enhance your skills more with our next activity. You will be given 10 seconds to type your answer in the comment box. Let's begin. Study the line graph above, then answer the given question. Number 1, what is the difference between the greatest heights and the least heights of 6 pupils? Letter A, 6 centimeters. Letter B, 8 centimeters. Letter C, 10 centimeters. Letter D, 12 centimeters. Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is letter D. Number 2, who is the tallest among the pupils? Letter A, Ryan. Letter B, Ren. Letter C, Elise. Letter D, Len. Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is letter C, Elise. Number 3, name the pupils whose height is more than 160 centimeters. Letter A, Elise and Ren. Letter B, Ren and Mike. Letter C, Elise and Aaron. Letter D, Len and Ren. Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is letter A, Elise and Ren. Number 4, what is the height of the tallest pupil? Letter A, 158 centimeters. Letter B, 160 centimeters. Letter C, 162 centimeters. Letter D, 164 centimeters. Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is letter D, 164 centimeters. Number 5. In the graph, what does the y-axis represent? Letter A, height of the pupils. Letter B, grade of the pupils. Letter C, name of the graph of the pupils. Letter D, section of the pupils. Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is height of the pupils. Remember, when solving word problem, study the graph or the given illustration carefully. Then to solve it, we need to know what is asked, identify the given facts, know the operation to be used, make a number sentence, do the solution, write your complete and final answer. For the question and answer, I will give you 30 seconds to type your question. Timer starts now. Last 5 seconds. Time is up. Thank you for the very good question. How does a graph help us in real life? Remember, using a graph, we can summarize a large data in visual form so that we can clearly present and easily understand it. Example, presenting statistics about the population in different provinces in our country. Since there are large numbers of people in different provinces, we use graphs to present the inputs in a simple way. For your home learning task, don't forget to browse your module in mathematics. Our lesson for today is on page 11 and 12. Answer A and B. That ends our lesson for today. Do not forget to join in the follow-up discussion of your teacher in mathematics tomorrow. This is Sir Michael John H. Aquino saying thank you and happy learning. Goodbye.